So today we're going to do an unboxing of John Clark's Monster Stomping Heroes. It's a new game in pre-release form, and I've been lucky enough to get my hands on a copy of it, and let's just see what it looks like. Okay, box looks pretty nice. 2 to 5 players, ages 8 and up, and you build a mashed up monster and attack it to use the other player's city defenses. Alright, let's have a look here. Okay, we've got a pair of dice, mismatched size, some kind of hero-looking figure there. We've got a rule book, and it's only a few pages long, so it shouldn't take us long to figure out how to play. Here is one set of cards. Let's see. Looks like it's a mix. We've got some heroes here, or should I say parts of heroes, or looks like parts of monsters. Okay, let's see, there's about 5 of those. Oh, so that's just the name of the game, Heroes. So they are different kinds of cards. Obviously these are more heroic. Heat ray eyes, head mazers. Oh, that's kind of cool. And we have a pretty good selection of these. So weapons, some sort of event. Monster ate the trainer and is rampaging through the countryside. Roll again, stub toe. Okay. Rocket wings, some more weapons, city defenses. They all look like they're the same art. One thing I want to point out, this is a pre-release game, and so I've been asked to say that everything you see here, gameplay and artwork, is still subject to change by the time this game is actually released. Cities and some more heroes. We've got Paris and New York, it looks like. So things are a little bit mixed up. We've got city defenses. Nope, forget about it. Play only a special card. Okay, so we've got a nice set of cards. We've got the dice, and then we've got another pack here to have a look. And it seems to be the same sort of mix as the first. So basically what we've got is a really wide array of different components. So it looks like that'll mean for a lot of variety as we start playing. I want to take a look at the back here up close. So you can kind of have a look at what they mean when they say mashup. So we have a city, looks like New York, and there are some defenses arrayed around it, and that's in the center. And then over here to the left, we've got a pretty crazy looking monster assemblage, and then we've got a hero with a variety of weapons. So really looking forward to see how this plays. That gameplay will be in our next video. Thanks a lot.